Hello, welcome to my channel, Hipposcene. Today we're going to talk about the product from GoPro, the Adventure Kit. Now, this is something that is retailed about $50 US dollars here in the United States. And when you first buy it, it actually comes in a plastic bag too, but I took off the plastic bag. So I'm going to unbox it and just kind of show what's in there. But before I do that, as you can see in the picture, they have the GoPro logo on the bottom, so this is an authentic product. They have the handler picture here where you can put your GoPro on top of it. They actually have the head strap where you can also put your GoPro on top of it. And they actually have the click clip, which is something that you can, clip on your baseball cap or anything or helmet or something that you have in front. And it also comes with a screw, which is not shown here too, so I just want to point that out. So let me go ahead and just open this. Okay, so you have your cover, and in here is your pouch. Now this pouch is very nice. It has a GoPro logo on the bottom. It has a zipper that has a blue strap, and as you can see, it's not too big. This is actually a really great carrying case to carry your GoPro and your GoPro accessories. So let's open this up. So when you open this up, what you see is, right when you open it up, is you'll see that you have your handler, which is on the very top. You have your head strap, which is on the very bottom. And then in the center here, you actually have your clip, which is a clip for you to actually go ahead and click on your baseball caps or any of the other items. And you also have this divider, Velcro, which is used for this packaging. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please do so. I'm trying to build up my subscribership, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now let's go ahead and open this up. So you have your handler, which is this. The great thing about this is it's very light. You can actually use it in the swimming pool if you like, or if you're outdoors. It's very good. The grip is very nice. I really like it actually. It actually also has the head strap, which is all rolled up right here. And then it has your clip, which is a clip that you can actually clip onto pretty much anything. And then next to it, you have your screw. Now these screws are pretty much universal. You can use it for this clip. You can actually use it on the head strap. And then you have your Velcro, which is for this packaging. You can throw away the cardboard that they have here. You can actually just remove it. And then you can actually open up the Velcro. And then you can actually attach it and kind of do whichever way you want to set it up. You can actually have it like that. So you can put your GoPro in here and you can put everything else on top of it and around here. Or you can actually just stretch it all across if you like. Kind of like that. Split it in half. So this is your packaging right here. Now, again, this screw, if you were to attach it to a cap or put your GoPro in here before you attach it, the clip, your GoPro would go in here onto these openings here. And then you would just stick this through and kind of twist it, the screw, to hold it in place, your GoPro, before you attach it to a cap. Same with this. This is your head strap from GoPro. And you do exactly the same thing, Put your GoPro here, stick this in. And basically this strap, I'm not going to open it, but basically when you open it, you can actually size it around your head and put it over your head just for any adventure taking that you're doing. Like if you're riding a bicycle and you want to do some recording, it's really, really useful. And then we also have this bad boy here. This is very nice. I really like this one. I mean, you can actually just go into the water and then use this and it just stays up. It's really nice. And it's very light. And it's a really nice texture. So you get a really great grip when you're holding on to it. And then the other thing is you get this awesome packaging. I mean, this package itself is really nice. I mean, this is a really great carrying case. And you can close it up. And if you have your GoPro in there, and it has a strap. So you can actually latch onto it. Not too big, not too small. Nice firm grip. You know, really, really nice. And inside is just really, really nice texture, really soft. And then there's a zipper on top too here, where you can actually unzip it and then kind of put maybe your battery, GoPro batteries, extra batteries in here. Very nice design. They did a really great job on this. Now with this handler, I also want to point out that this is a very unique grip too, that you can actually open up, put your hand through, and then kind of lock it to, because there's this little circle here that you can point and lock it. So it locks in place in your hand. Loosen it, press the button, boom, bring it down. Wow, very, very good. Great coloring scheme too. I love the orange on the bottom. It's really nice. I really can't say all the great things that this is great. It's just really nice, even when I'm squeezing right now. Really nice grip. I really like it a lot. This, definitely you don't want to lose it. It's something that, you know, it's very nice, very smooth on the bottom. And it just looks very, very good. Just the product that GoPro comes out with, I mean, they're just really, really great products. I personally have a GoPro Hero 8. I love it a lot. I haven't been using it that often now, but I was using it when I first got it a lot for bicycling and also for the outdoors. But I would say that, you know, normally if you go out and buy a case, you're spending what, like minimum maybe 10 bucks, 15 bucks. And here with this adventure kit, you can actually get a case with a Velcro divider and get the handler, get the head strap, get the click clip, and then get the screw that goes with all this, all for 50 bucks. I mean, that's a pretty good deal, because if you're using GoPro outdoor, this definitely will come in handy if you're going in the water. It definitely will. Or even just, you know, an overall having something where you can actually have a nice grip. It's not too big and it's not too small, like when you have your hand around it or my hand around it. So I like it a lot. And it's really soft, the texture. And then you're getting the head strap too, which, you know, I think it's very useful. Bicycling, outdoors. It's very, 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 very useful. And then, you know, all of this is great if you're, you know, like hiking, snorkeling, or even riding roller coasters. I think having this, the head strap, and then having this, the click clip, they're both great for if you're trying to take pictures when you're riding the roller coaster. Now, a lot of the GoPro products that I've seen or I've come across is that they always have a screw that comes. So the great thing is that if you lose this, I mean, and you know, you buy other products, you'll probably get one of these two screws from other accessories that you may buy from GoPro that, you know. Yeah, I actually really like this head strap. You know what? Let's go ahead and open it up to the head strap. Yeah, so the head straps are really great. I mean, if you notice, see, I mean, it just goes around. You pretty much put it over your head or put it over your cap. Very, very comfortable. Very great item. I mean, just really, really nice texture. Out of all this, I really, really like this right here, the handler. It is so good. I mean, I just love that grip and just the ability to not lose it, when you're in the water, like if you're snorkeling or if you're in the water and just trying to take videos. I mean, because you can put this on your wrist and it latches on. This is really, really nice. I really like this one. But all of these are added bonuses. They're really nice too. Like this clip. I mean, wow. Sorry about that. Actually, I just had some movement on my camera here. So anyway, so this is it. I mean, leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think. And once again, if you can subscribe to my videos, that would be awesome. Hopefully, this unpackaging was very useful to you. And, kind of give you a sense of what's in this package, some of the benefits of some of these items, especially this packaging. I feel is very, very beneficial. You can carry your GoPro in here. You can put everything else in here, your batteries. So that's some takeaways that I think is very nice with this packaging. It's just very nice overall, and has a handle too. So leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried this adventure kit, what you think about it. Do you think it was worth the price? And let me know if you feel that maybe they should have more items here. If maybe this was not enough, I would definitely welcome all the feedback, because I definitely want to hear from you. So once again, before I go, if you can subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. I really appreciate it. So till next time, please continue to view my videos on hipposcene, my channel, and stay safe and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.